From affordable all the way to outrageous.
That might be a sign.
Is it worth it? Is she the $3 mix or the 16?
All are kind of similar. Water, eggs, with 3 calling for oil and 1 for butter. Luckily, by the 4th mix, I was on a roll. Back to the bread. After baking, the 3 with oil look almost identical, while the 1 with butter.
Butter just browns up more than if you're using an oil. I think that was a little bit of an issue. Is she worth the price? She might be. Gives you more of a banana bread feel. I'd totally eat it. Very moist, very pumpkin-y. That's really good. A little crumbly, but your mouth doesn't know that. The cheapest came out of the oven the prettiest. Just saying.
It's fantastic.
More pumpkin spice than any of them. Wow.
Follow for more.